Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, if you have ever wondered why some breakouts fail and others explode, well, the answer might lie in the effort versus results dynamic. Now, in this video, we are just going to be breaking down the RedX or the RedK, right? The RedK EVEREX effort versus results explorer indicator. All right. Okay. So this is the RedK effort versus results explorer indicator. Okay. So we're gonna be breaking down this indicator. Okay, we're gonna be looking at how to use this indicator effectively, a smart way to trade using volume and price relationship. Now, what is effort versus results? The concept is simple but powerful, right? Effort is volume, basically. Result is price movement, all right? So you can see some wonderful indications that we have right here in the indicator window, okay? So when the market shows high volume but little price movement, it signals inefficiency or absorption, meaning there may be strong players on the other side preventing the move. But when price moves significantly on low volume, if you have price move significantly on low volume, that is efficiency. It suggests minimal resistance and often hints at smart money behind the scenes. Okay, now the RedX EVEREX indicator, the RedK EVEREX indicator, I don't know why I keep on calling it RedX. So the RedK EVEREX indicator takes this idea and visualizes it in a way that makes it easy to see when effort and result are aligned or when something is off. Now, once you add this indicator to your chart, you'll see the histograms, and zones that highlight the relationship between volume and price, right? So you can see that basically red bars may indicate effort with no results, while green signals efficient movement, right? So you will also get zone clusters where the market struggled or surged. These are critical areas for decision making. You can also see this indicator line and also helping you understand the prevailing market momentum, right? You can see when the line turns blue, it shows that there is bullish momentum prevailing at the time. When it is orange in color, it shows that there is prevailing bearish momentum at the time. All right. Now, you can use this tool to identify real breakouts, avoid chasing volume traps, and see through fake market moves. Here's how to trade it. All right. You start by spotting a breakout attempt. Okay. Let's look for a very good opportunity. So we actually had a support zone around here, right? Now, there was an attempt to break out from that zone around here. Okay. You look at the EVEREX histogram. If there is high effort but no movement, you have to be cautious. All right. If there is high effort but no movement, you have to be cautious. Remember that red bars indicate effort with no result. All right. So you should use that as as a watch action, if I'm going to call it that, something to watch out for. Okay. So if there's high effort but no movement, you have to be cautious. It could be a trap or a distribution zone. Now, you flip that. If you see the price break out of a range, right? If you see price break out of a range on moderate or low volume, okay, I think we have had a breakout one here, right? Okay, the orange was on top of the red. Okay, but if you see a strong result, that's a potential sign of smart money initiating a move. And if you have a breakout and a retest of that zone and a continuation pattern, that even validates that move. Then you watch out for the crossovers of this line, right? You can see when the breakout happened, we actually had a crossover of the gray line, below the orange. The color of the line was already orange, showing bearish momentum, right? And then you can see the orange line actually dominated, showing that there was actually bearish momentum in the market at the time. All right. So you have to combine this with structure, previous support and resistance zones or supply and demand levels for high confluence setups. All right. You can also add a trend filter like a moving average for directional bias. For example, we can decide to add maybe a 50 EMA on the chart. The reason for adding this EMA is for directional bias. The EMA is going to serve as a trend filter. So the EMA will help you identify the prevailing trend as a confirmation, because this RedK EVEREX indicator is already telling you when bullish momentum is prevailing and when bearish momentum is prevailing, right? Alongside the volumes indicator and all of that, right? But the moving average is going to serve as an additional confirmation, a trend filter confirmation to be specific. Okay, so this strategy works across all assets, forex pairs, crypto, indices, even commodities. All right, on higher time frames, it can reveal major accumulation or distribution zones. Then on lower time frames, if you're on higher time frame, it can help you to recognize major accumulation and distribution zones. Then if you go to the lower time frames, it's great for spotting scalping opportunities and fake breakouts. All right. Meanwhile, you have to be patient. All right. Patience is key. Patience is a very important virtue. Okay. Make sure that you employ patience when trading, not just with this strategy, but with every strategy that you are using. Okay. This isn't about chasing every signal, but waiting for clear inefficiencies or confirmations. Always zoom out and see where the volume fits within the broader structure. All right. So you should also be doing that. You should also be zooming out. All right. You can actually go to maybe a higher time frame. You can also zoom out and, see the broader market structure and where volume fits in. So that's how you use the RedK EVEREX Effort versus Results Explorer indicator to read volume like the pros. Like what you see, smash the like button and subscribe for more deep dive strategies just like this one. Trade smart, trade informed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.